Namaste. We all know how Kerala people are suffering due to floods. Many of you would have already contributed towards this, and I've also taken a small initiative to contribute in the form of money. Few of my friends are also coming forward to do this along with me, and if you're willing to contribute, you can also come and join me tomorrow at Malayali Club Chetpet around 6:30 p.m. You can give in the form of money or through the items that I've mentioned on my Insta page. And apart from that, few other basic requirements are sanitary pads, rice, water bottles. So I kindly request you all to forward this message or share this message as much as possible. It would be of a great help to the Kerala people, and whatever you give or contribute to would be sent to the Chief Minister's Distress Relief Fund through Malayali Club. Thank you. Dhanyavad.